branch here in Bangalore. Second one, which is saying in this part of the town, ತುಂಬಾ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಖುಷಿ ತಂದಂತ ವಿಷಯ that this part of the town is getting their second branch really. And I think they've been Kaya Skincare has been like synonym with good skin. For example, nange when I wanted to start my laser treatment journey, when I was asking around, I think the first recommendation that I got back then was to go to Kaya Skin. And they've been a household name for a very, very long time, be it with their state of the art treatment ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಅಂಡ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಬರೀ ಹುಡುಗಿರ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಕೇರ್, ಹುಡುಗಿರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬಂದು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಆ ಥರ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಈವನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಮೆನ್, considering how bad the skin damage is out there for all the men who don't wear sunscreen, please, I think they have phenomenal treatments and consultations for all the men out there, and they have a wide, like a web network of doctors working here, and everything is state of the art, and they have new technology called the Clear AI. And ಇವಾಗ ತಾನೆ I was just asking about that. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೊರಿಯಾ probably ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ when we go to on reels or anything. South Korea, they have that entire system, the glass skin, and the system where they analyze your skin, LL pigmentation agide, LL skin damage agide antalla. I think they bought it here, and I think that will make a huge difference to people like me, especially being in this industry. Skin is very important. Namge more than makeup, having a good skin creates that base. And ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸತಿ when ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗ, even without makeup, it's very easy to step out. And irrespective of being in the industry, it gives women a lot of confidence in general, having good skin. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ probably teenagers or after that adult acne ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಏನೇ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ it brings down confidence of women. However pretty you are, when you see that especially important events, ಮುಂಚೆ one pimple yellow ಬಂದಾಗ, it brings down the confidence. So to have and complete an institution that has been dedicated for this for years together, I thank Kaya for doing the job that they've been doing all these years. Congratulations to them. And Yelahanka branch is here. It's right above Tanishq, opposite Galleria Mall. So all of you, whoever are looking, please do come and visit them.
I'm Nishant. I am the Vice President and Head of Marketing at Kaya. We are proud to bring our 12th clinic in Bangalore and second within the 3-4 months of this year. And the reason being that we are very, very bullish about how Bangalore is shaping up, how it's expanding continuously. There's an influx of a lot of people coming from all over parts of the country and also abroad. And I think when the construction is like this, so many people are coming together, there are bound to be skin/hair/body requirements that everyone needs, because the lifestyles are different and eating habits are different, and so is the weather as well. While I love the Bangalore weather, I've stayed here for 2 years, but yes, for every person, it's a very agnostic thing, as doctor would always say, right? So we're very happy. We're very, very focused in bringing about newer technologies. We've recently just launched 3 new technologies that are state of art. They're also cutting edge. They're we're one of the only first ones in the clinical chain brands who have brought it out right now, which is MCT, which is for hair restoration. Then there's Urtica, which is for skin toning, firming as well. And then we have Aerolis, which is for anti-acne, anti-aging, and other skin treatments as well. So as a brand, we are proud to be doing what we're doing. And as Saptami just mentioned, she's giving us kudos. I would like to take that on behalf of everyone from Kaya's team as well. But yeah, we are very focused in being in this industry and bringing about the best for everyone. We've been around for 22 years. All our doctors are the leading doctors in the country by far, and we have the biggest biggest powerhouse of doctors across India, right? So we have more than 125 plus doctors across India. So there's a lot of cross learning amongst all doctors as well, and hence things move faster for us. So yeah.
Yes. Why you chosen Yelahanka, sir?
I think we didn't choose. I think Bangalore chose Yelahanka because of the airport coming closer. Because of the airport, when the airport moved here, I think what had happened is a lot of people started coming here, and we see a lot of corporate tech parks coming up, a lot of new residencies coming up as well, and a lot of.
So So my name is Dr. Veena. I take care of South India clinics in South India, and this is our 12th clinic in Yelahanka. So it gives me an immense pleasure to launch this clinic, and Saptami is here for that. Kaya has been, for over 22 years we've been in this industry. So this is a 79th clinic. We have around 70 odd products for skin, hair and body. We have around 600 to 700 services for again skin, hair and body. So along with that, what sets Kaya apart from rest of the competition is we are a doctor-led approach basically. So here, any treatment that is going on in the clinic, it is under the supervision of the doctor, or doctor performs it. So that sets Kaya apart from rest of the competition. So along with that, we have Nishant was saying about Aerolase, MCT and this. So we are continuously innovating and expanding to ensure that our clinics are at the forefront of cutting edge technology. So 3 important technologies that we recently have launched is again Aerolase, MCT and Artica. Okay, so I also want to talk a little bit about Kaya Clear. So this is a AI backed skin analysis tool. Also it tells us the predictive image of the skin. So we use this technology for acne, pigmentation. We also use it for anti-aging. So this gives us an image as to how does your skin look after doing certain number of sessions, be it for acne or pigmentation or anti-aging.